You are going to become very sensitive, spiritually sensitive to a lot of things on your journey. But God needs you to know that He's going to protect you through them all. Let's talk about it. From your process to the promise, from the flesh to the spirit, from brokenness to wholeness. Your whole five senses will be engaged. You're going to be smelling things differently, seeing things differently, hearing things differently, touching things differently, tasting things differently. What used to appease your flesh when you were in the world is no longer going to be conducive or profitable and please your spirit. All of your senses are going to be heightened on your journey, and you might not have an explanation for this at the time that you're experiencing these things, but that's why I want to give you a heads up, like, hey, this is what is going to be happening during your transformation period, during your change process. You're not only changing physically, but you're going to notice that you are changing spiritually. You will become spiritually sensitive. Sensitive to people, places, and things. Certain places that you go into, when you enter into the room, you're going to notice that something is either off or everything is great. When you go around certain people, your spirit is going to immediately be able to discern if something is right about that person or if something is off with that person. You go around certain people and their demons are going to be manifesting around you, and it's not even anything that you're doing. It's just because the devil has noticed that you are in another dimension. The devil has noticed that you are not who they see for face value. The narrative has changed. Your body has shifted. God told you already that you have entered into a new dimension. You are more spiritually sound now. You are wiser now. You are operating from the spirit now. And so your soul, it is very sensitive. You have become spiritually sensitive to everything that is going on in this earthly realm. Things are not going to smell the same. Scents are going to bother you. When you're around people, if they have on some strong perfume or cologne, it's going to trigger your nose. Loud sounds might frustrate you because the Lord is going to be having you in periods of isolation. When you get around loud environments or somebody who's very aggressive, that might trigger you. You're not going to be able to listen to crazy music. Before, you probably could listen to the harsh rap and the cursing, but even when you hear that language or that tone or the aggression in those songs or the negativity in those songs, the toxicity in those songs, it's not going to resonate with you anymore. Why? Because you're living in the spirit. I don't want y'all to get this twisted. When I say that you're going to be sensitive, it does not mean that you're weak. It does not mean that you're going to be becoming weak. No, you are a warrior. You are a conqueror. You are in God's army, okay? You're going to be strong. You're going to be fortified. You're going to be equipped to go through everything that you're going through. You're not going to be weak, timid, and feeble. No, but you're going to be sensitive. What does it mean to be sensitive? Let's give a definition. It means to quickly detect or respond to slight changes, to be responsive to be aware and responsive to your own emotions and the feelings of others. It means that you can be easily hurt or damaged. Some positive traits of being sensitive means you can show empathy and understanding to other people's situation. You're able to put yourself in their shoes. It means that you're aware of other people's needs and you meet them in a way that makes them feel good. You are able to process your emotions and information more deeply than others. Being sensitive can also have some negative traits to it. It means that you might be easily upset or offended. It means that you can shut down when facing stressors or difficult transitions in life. It means that you can become easily overwhelmed and be overstimulated. So yes, my loves, this is what I mean. I'm just giving you a heads up that on your journey, you are going to notice how sensitive you are becoming. Knows how sensitive you are. He knows that this journey is a very sensitive process. And so he's going to be showing up as your protector. God is going to be protecting you. He's going to make sure that your circle is tight. He's not going to just have anyone around you or allow you to be around just any old body. He's going to make sure that your physical environment is tight. He wants to keep you safe. You're a sensitive soul. Baby, you're rare. You're rare, okay? Now that you know that you're going to become very sensitive on this journey, the next best thing that you can do is just accept it, acknowledge it. You have self-awareness and it's okay. I'm sensitive. So what? It's a part of my life experience of being a child of God. Yep, that's it. That's all, folks. Until next time. Bye.